Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss about another method, or you can say another command, which we can use in order to manage the receivers. This is again a very important command if you are working for a project, or if you want to manage all the receivers for your journal file. Then in that case, you should know about this command and you should practice as well for this command. Okay, so let's discuss the command. So before we discuss the command, let me tell you why we are learning this command. Because this command is this command is useful for every task related to receivers, which may include creation of receiver, deletion of receiver, checking attributes for the receiver. So all these things you can complete by only single command, which is WRKJRNRCV, work with journal receiver. Okay, so that's why this command is very important for us. Now what you can do, you can use this command by writing this work JRN RCV, where WRK is representing work, JRN is journal, RCV is receiver. Here you can take F4. Once you take F4, it will ask you for the journal receiver name and the library in which that receiver resides. But let's say you are not sure what is your journal receiver name, but you know that your journal receiver name starts with letter maybe A or J. So in that case, we can find out the list of all the journal receiver which start with letter A. Okay, but let's say if you are using this command for the first time, then in that case just place your cursor on this white text, press F1 here, and it will provide you all the information related to this command. I always show this process because this is very important thing. Whenever you are learning any command, just make sure that you took this option F1 to check the help screen, because here you will find all the information, right? So here you can see definition is there, restriction is there, qualified details are mentioned here along with the examples. So even example is also here. So by learning this example, you can easily identify how we can use this command. And also it shows the escape messages, because in some cases you may need these escape messages in order to perform error handling. So in that way also it will help you. Okay, so this is all about the theoretical part for this command. Now we will see the example, practical example. So in practical example, what you can do, you can put your receiver name. Let's say my receivers start with S, letter S. So I can simply put S here, then put asterisk. So what asterisk will do, it will it like we are instructing the system that fetch out all the receivers that start with letter S, and after that there could be anything. Okay, not we are not sure, like it could be A, B, C or any name, but it should start with letter S only. Okay, now below to this we are expecting to put the library name. So if you are working with multiple library, then maybe you can go with this option *libl, which is for library list. Okay, but if you are you want to look for a specific library, then you can put this thing Sharmit 1. Okay, then simply hit enter, and it will provide you all the list of receivers that are placed in library Sharmit 1. Okay, now as I told you that from here also you can create your receiver at any time, although the command will be processed same, the same command CRTGRNRCV command, right? But from this you can easily create receiver. For example, here I can put SABC, okay, in library Sharmit 1. Once I hit enter, it will take me to the same screen which we got when we are hitting the command CRTGRNRCV, because both the commands are same. Here you can put additional information like threshold, text. Let's say I want to put text testing, so I can simply put it here and then simply hit enter. On pressing enter, you can see it is created. So you can relate it with the display file screen. There also we can use if you remember, there we can create the record. Also at the same screen we can edit the record, right? So same thing you can perform here as well. By you taking option 1, you can create it. And another thing, another option is 5 for displaying the attributes. If you want to check the attributes, you can take option 5 here. It will provide you all the attributes. Now if you are able to recall, then you know that this command is, we have already covered this command, DSPJRNRCV. So let me show you DSPJRNRCV. So it will also take you to the same screen as ABC in library Sharmit one. So you can see same screen is there, right? So that's why I told you that from this work with journal receiver command, you can perform everything by directly taking option. So here we are not supposed to write the command every time. You can take option 1, 2, 3, whatever the options are given here. And let's say if I want to change the text for this or any of the attribute descriptions, so simply I can take option 13 here and it will provide me the option. So testing SABC. So by hitting enter, you can see it has changed now. Similarly, if you want to put text here, so you can press option 13 and here you can put SRCV for testing. So you can see text has been added to this. So this is the advantage of using this command. Through this command you can simply change the description, attribute, and let's say if you are not if you have decided to delete your one of the receiver, you don't want it, so simply go and take option 4 here. After taking option 4, you can place hit enter and it will ask for the confirmation, because this is very crucial command. If you are deleting any receiver, just make sure that you wanted to delete it, otherwise you can hit enter. Means if you hit enter and you don't by not by intention, then in that case it will delete your data, right? But if you are sure that yes, you want to delete it, then simply go and hit enter after confirmation, so it will delete your data. You can see object SABC in Sharmit 1 type STRJRNPF has been deleted. Okay, so this is the advantage of this work with journal receiver command. As I told you, you can fetch out all the detail, as well as you can, let me show you that, work JRN A, not A, RCV, work JRN RCV. As I told you that if you want to go for any specific one, then you can go like journal receiver name with a library. So it will provide you only, okay, something is wrong, maybe the library name. So why it is not showing, maybe something is wrong. SABCT, I think we are putting the wrong name here. Maybe let me copy this. Oh sorry, we have deleted that, right? So that's why it is not showing, because during the deletion demo I delete that. So you can see that whenever you want to go for a specific one, you can put the journal receiver name here and then simply hit enter, so it will show you that. Okay, and previously it was not showing because we have deleted it. When I was explaining you the 4 option for delete, that moment I deleted that receiver, that's why it is not showing the receiver detail. Okay, so yeah, this is all about this journal receiver work with journal receiver command. And again, I'm saying this is very important command in terms of analysis purpose, because let's say there are multiple receivers and you are working with it. So in that case, you must know about this command, because this will help you to provide all the information related to journals, as well as from the same command you can create your journal receiver. You can create the you can delete the journal receiver if it is not needed. Okay, but as I told you, it is very crucial command, so only hit enter when you are intentionally want to delete that. Okay, otherwise you may lose your data. Okay, same command you can use for displaying the attribute and other purpose, like changing the attributes as well, for changing the text, adding the customizing the text. So all these information we can done, all this action we can perform with this command. Okay, so yeah, That's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.